Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first news, which is coming from Turkey. So Turkish currency lira has been depreciating against USD. So as you can see here, if you look at the last 5 years chart, the Turkish lira is constantly depreciating in value, and that's the reason people in Turkey are embracing this cryptocurrencies USDT, which is a stable coin, and Bitcoin as well. Because if they hold lira, then their net worth is going down along with the currency's depreciation. But if they hold USDT or Bitcoin, with USDT their net worth will be stable. But if they buy the Bitcoin and if Bitcoin price appreciates or soars, their net worth is also soaring, and that's the reason they are dumping the lira, the official currency of Turkey, and buying into Bitcoin and USDT. The next news is about the JP Morgan. So JP Morgan is one of the prestigious financial institution in US, and what they are doing is they are building the blockchain payment system for the Siemens. This is just the first client, but they are also working with other clients to build their payment system as well based on the blockchain. The next news is about Bank of Russia, which says that they are coming up with the centralized digital currency, that is digital ruble. That is the official currency, but they are coming up with a blockchain system for their currency. But at the same time, they are saying that there is no place for the other cryptos in the financial markets apart from the official digital ruble. So that is not a good news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the Tesla. Elon Musk has tweeted that holiday software release being tested with internal owners today. Broader rollout starts tomorrow evening. So they're coming with a new software update for their Tesla. The next news is about the Nvidia. NVDA is the ticker name, and UBS is saying that it is the topic for them, and they are saying that the stock price of the Nvidia will keep soaring in next next year and after that as well. The next is about the cryptocurrency regulations in Singapore. So 100 companies failed to obtain the crypto license in Singapore. So reason why the Singapore is not allowing the companies to get the crypto license is that they're saying that cryptocurrencies can lead to money laundering and a lot of other things like that, and that's the reason a lot of companies are failing to get the crypto licenses in Singapore. They are being very strict. The next news is about the Elon Musk, who is saying that Neuralink is better than a metaverse in the long term. So basically, he's not giving a support to the metaverse. He's saying that it is just a fiction. It's not real thing at this point of time. Maybe in future it may change, but right now, he thinks Neuralink, which is his company, who uses artificial intelligence and developing some hardware and software to make people with the brain disability to work efficiently. So he thinks that Neuralink is much better than a metaverse at this point of time. The next is about the Gitcoin, another crypto whose price has soared by 29% in last couple of days, and its biggest gainer on crypto.com. The next is about the Visa. So Visa has partnered with 60 crypto platforms that let consumers spend digital currencies and cryptocurrencies. So basically, there are different crypto firms, right? For example, crypto.com, Binance, etc. So what Visa is doing is that Visa is partnering with these major firms, cryptocurrency firms, and with the help of this partnership, what is happening is it will allow customers to use crypto and the fiat currencies at the same time using Visa's prestigious network. So Visa thinks that crypto is here to stay, and that's the reason they are foraying into crypto market and crypto industries. The final news about the top five crypto metaverse platforms that may have huge potential in 2022, and here is the list. So first one is WaxP, that's worldwide asset exchange. Then IoTX, that is Internet of Things exchange. Third one is Solana. Fourth is Polygon, and finally Binance Smart Chain, BNB. All these projects are really high quality projects, and especially the last three, Solana, Polygon and BNB, I am really bullish on these projects going forward. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will come up with more interesting topics videos in coming future. Till then, have a good day and bye bye.